Oh, so what do we have here? Got our King bearings packaging, and as you guys know, these are from one of our sponsors. So let's check out and see what they sent us. We got us a set of rod bearings, two sets, and a set of mains here. And this is all for the Evos, so Evo and the silver car that you see on the channel. And we're putting the silver car's motor back together, so we needed bearings, and here we are. So we got us a banner that we're definitely gonna put up. Got a t-shirt here and a sweet King bearings hat. So, man, got us a nice care package. So y'all be seeing that build coming up on the channel here shortly. And we're gonna get to TX2K. I just happened to be here to catch this package because we're just running behind with the Viper and getting everything together to get it down there so you guys can check it out. So, man, big shout out to them. Do you see what I see? Man, Pro Charger is here. But unfortunately, we won't have our brackets. And we're just gonna bring it with what we got it on right now. So I'm gonna open this thing up and I'll be right back with you in a minute. Man, ooh. This looks like some stuff for the oil system. The Pro Charger says 3 bottles of oil right there. Let's pull this out. Oh boy. Oh boy. This thing looks humongo. Yo, check that out. My God, this thing is big. Oh boy. So, whew, I can't wait to put this thing on. This thing is huge.
It's taking hours to figure out that shit, what he's doing.
Man. He said, nah, hey, this flight ain't refundable. Checking fuel pressure.
I can see
and set it up.
Dude just typing a search bar and pulled that shit up. That's dope.
That is pretty dope. I seen it up here.
Just a fuel. What?
Bloop. Did we get the okay to run it? Let's try it now.
I'm on the laptop right here. Got my own baby.
Yeah. It's alive! Man. Hell yeah. Good oil pressure.
goes away.
All right, so didn't think I would be making this video, but we are going to make it. And as you can hear that 10-cylinder symphony in the background, that is the Viper. Yes. So got our bottles loaded. I'm about to go ahead and pin those down. I got all our hoses on, and this thing sounds ridiculous. I ain't gonna lie. Boy, you hear it. Yeah, so we're about ready to go. We're finna load the trailer up. We got the old Ram Rebel out there. We got us a Ram Reezy too. So finna drop it in there. Got a great Ram Rebel to go along with our Horse Chalk Great Viper. So this is gonna be a good looking combo. So if you see us down the highway, holla at me. But yeah, man, it's a feeling. We finna head to 2K. It's late. We're gonna get there in the morning, but we're coming. We said we were coming. We did exactly what we said we're gonna do. We're gonna be there. And I got the blower in the passenger seat, so it's coming too. See you guys there. Gonna load this thing up. Send it. Boy. Man. Got here. Got the Viper back here. Probably gonna start it. Man, twas a journey. I hear the sound of my people in the background. Gotta get this thing unloaded and holler at y'all.